Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make these bleached distress t-shirts. You can make them plain, you can cut them up, give them some fringe. They're super cute, they're super popular right now. They add so much to just a plain old t-shirt. I'm gonna use 100% bleach in a spray bottle. I'm using Clorox bleach. You can dilute it 50-50 with water if you want to, but I don't. I just use straight bleach because it's more powerful and it just gives a more vivid effect to the color and the shirt. I don't know. I really like it. So it's up to you. Just want to experiment. You want to wear a mask just in case it's windy and you get bleach in your face and you don't want to breathe it in, guys. It's not good for you, so I recommend to wear a mask. I went ahead and I went through my kids' closet and I got a couple shirts that they don't really wear anymore. Some old shirts that I had bought like at Children's Place and Target, just random shirts that have designs on them already. I didn't make any of these shirts, but I wanted to show you that you can do this with shirts that you have already, so you don't have to go out and buy any special t-shirts. But this one here is a Gildan 100% cotton t-shirt that you can get at Walmart, just a plain old black t-shirt. So you can do this with any t-shirt lying around the house, guys, just to play with them. Why not? If they're old and they don't fit your kids, why not just play with the bleach and see what works for you? So yeah, let's get started. Also, you can use any spray bottle. This one's from Walmart. It's only 98 cents. It has two settings, a stream and then like a mist setting. You want both of them because they give different like effects to the fabric when you spray it on. So it's really cool. I'll show you how to do that. Also, what you want to do is just, what you can do is you can put parchment paper or cardboard in between the shirt when you spray bleach onto it to protect it from bleeding through to the back. But I don't really do that because I don't mind it going to the back because, you know, it gives it a nice look. But I also do turn the shirt around and spray the back too. But it's really up to you. Sometimes bleach can deteriorate fabric and you can get holes. I've never had that problem before. So like I said, you just got to experiment with it, you know what I mean? It's really a hit or a miss. I've never had any problems. I've always used like 100% cotton t-shirts, bleached them with straight bleach, washed them in a rinse cycle, and dried them in the dryer, and I've never had holes, and I've had them for like months, and you know, they're still fine. Also, what you can do, I've heard, which I haven't tried, is you can put peroxide in a spray bottle with water and you can spray that onto the bleached shirt after you bleach it to neutralize the bleaching process. So that helps prevent holes in the shirts. So you might want to try that. So what I'm doing is I'm starting at the bottom and I'm working my way up. So I'm using the mist setting, and I just kind of like saturated the bottom, and I'm gonna just spray the middle with a good little spray because I kind of want that ombre effect, like how I did in previous shirts, like the ones I had posted. And I'm gonna hit it with the stream on the top so it can look like splash marks. It looks really cool. There's no right or wrong way to bleach, guys. Like, just get creative with it. Do what you want. As you can see, I didn't put anything in the middle, and this shirt didn't bleed to the back. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray it the same way I kind of did with the front. Not as much, but just a little bit. I'm going to spray the bottom and give it some splashes. And excuse my messy backyard, guys. This is my dog's area. They just tear this place up, and, you know, I needed to work here real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and saturate the bottom of this shirt too. And also what I like to do is I like to have a nice bucket of water on standby, so that way I can dunk my shirts into the water, just so I can stop the bleaching process with water. And then what I do is once I rinse them, I dry them, and then I go and I bleach again to get it even lighter. So you have like all these different colors. You have the black, you have the copper, and you're gonna have like this whiter color. You'll see when I show you that part later. But that's what I like to do to get more color. So here I'm doing another shirt that is already that has a design on it. I bought this one at Children's Place, and I'm doing it the same way I did the black shirt. I'm starting at the bottom and I'm gonna work my way up. And this one actually turned out really nice. It turned like a really nice purpley pinkish color. It was really cool. Also, the sun really helps bleaching. It just like helps the process move faster. So I recommend trying to do this in the sun. You don't want to do this indoors. You want to try to do this in the sun. And I'm not really worried about my shirt getting dirty on the floor, because like I said, they do get washed completely in the washroom in the washing machine. Sorry. They do get washed in the washing machine, so I'm not really worried about them getting dirty with like dust or whatever from the floor. So as you can see, it already turned color. It looks really cool. This is going to be I was thinking of cutting this one to fringe. It's going to look really cool. So I'll show you guys how I do that too. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dunk this in the water after I hit it with some splashes with the stream setting again. Like I said, guys, just go for it. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You're the artist, and your t-shirt is your palette. Just go for it. Like I said, if you're experimenting with shirts that you already have, like, there's no loss, you know what I mean? Because they're old already anyways. And then again, I'm doing it with this pre-bought t-shirt, which I plan on cutting at the bottom into fringe. I'm like super obsessed with fringe right now. It's ridiculous, but it's so cute, guys. I will definitely post pictures on my page of my daughter wearing some of these. I also like to cut the neckline and give it kind of like a slouchy neck. It's so adorable. And then after I do that, I just soak them in water. I squeeze them out, then I throw them in the washing machine.